all began completely by chance. Maybe you heard one of my songs, and that's when the magic began. We don't really know how we found each other. Maybe the stars gave us a little help. And if someone had told me that day what you would become to me, I never would have believed it. And whenever people ask me if I was with someone, the truth is, my very first thought was you. The sound of your heartbeat feels like home to me. The sound of your heartbeat keeps me close to you. And at night I don't go looking for Morpheus, I go looking for your arms. The sound of your heartbeat is the truest sign I've ever known. But I thought you didn't want me by your side, even though you were always close to me. And I stayed there, holding on to all my fears, watching you from far away. Then all it took was one of your breaths, and everything came falling down like snow upon a window pane. And little by little I realized you had already been here, long before I even knew it. The sound of your heartbeat feels like home to me. The sound of your heartbeat keeps me close to you. And at night I don't go looking for Morpheus, I go looking for your arms. The sound of your heartbeat is the truest sign